Okay, assalamu alaikum, dear guys. This is actually trigonometric related formula related to A level. Okay, if t equal to tan of x, then you can write down sine 2x. Sorry, sine x equal to 2t by 1 plus t. Okay, if t equal to tan of x, then sine x equal to 2t by 1 plus t. Again, for cos, we will write 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Okay, if we take t equal to tan of x. Hyperbolic function, due to hyperbolic function, we have to know cos hyperbolic sine square x minus sine is square x equal to, this is minus into cos h square x minus sine h square x equal to, this is hyperbolic. Okay, and sine h2x equal to 2 sine hx cos hx. Okay, 2 sine hyperbolic x cos hyperbolic, that means sine 2x, here the sine h2x means sine hyperbolic sine h2x means it will be 2 sine hyperbolic sine hx cos hx. Okay, and when cos h2x, then cos h square x plus sine h square squared, this is plus sign. Okay, cos h to x equal to cos h square x plus sine h square, and inverse, due to inverse, sine h inverse x equal to ln bracket x plus root x square plus 1. Okay, and cos h inverse x equal to ln x plus root x square first, then minus 1. Okay, when x greater than or equal to 1. Okay, that means tan h inverse x equal to half ln 1 plus x divided 1 minus x minus denominator plus numerator, half tan hyperbolic sine inverse x equal to half ln 1 plus x by 1 minus x square, x less than 1. That means we have to actually remember t to be tan half x, then this is sine x relation, this is cos x relation, and due to hyperbolic function, we have to know one, that is cos x square x, then minus. Okay, we have to remember such way, and cos sine 2h h to h, then 2 sine h x cos, and for cos cos h to x, then you have to remember cos h square x plus sign, yeah, plus sign, sin is square x, and inverse, due to inverse, sin is inverse x, then ln plus sign x root x square. We have to remember this. Cos inverse, cos x inverse x, then x plus x is same, but in the root x square minus 1 x greater than equal 1. Yeah, it's a minus in plus 1 minus. Yeah, tan h inverse x, then 1 plus x numerator denominator minus x ln, all are ln half. Okay, due to tan half x less than half. Yeah. Now we have to know some majoration formula. Okay, the volume of a square equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, volume, and surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. Yeah, r square. Okay, and volume of cone or pyramid 1 by 3 multiple base area into height. Base area into, you have to know height, base area 1 by 3 for finding out the cone or pyramid. Area of curved surface of cone, pi r into slant into slant. And you have to know the slant height higher, then you can find out the area of curved surface. Arc length of circle. Arc length of circle, arc theta. Here, theta is radian. R is radius. Theta is angle. Subtended angle. Okay. That means finding out the arc length of circle, r theta formula we have to use, and we have to use half r square theta for finding out the area of a sector of a circle. Sector of a circle. Theta is in radian. That means for finding out the volume of the sphere, this formula for the pi r cube, and 4 pi r square is for surface area of sphere, and 1 by 3 base area height formula will be used for finding out the volume of cone and curve. Pi r slant height will be needed to find out the curved surface of cone area. Okay, area of curved surface of cone, and r theta, where theta is in radian, we will use for finding out the arc length of the circle, and half r square theta, theta here radian, we will use this formula, area of a sector of a circle, sector of a circle. And now sector of the circle, and here arc length of a circle, and here cones curved surface area. Okay, pi square multiple algebra. For knowing the algebra, we have to know some multiplication. For quadratic equation, a square plus bx plus c, you know this formula actually, minus b plus minus root b square minus 4c by 2a. This formula will know a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is constant. This is that is for potential, the roots are x equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4c by 2a. And for arithmetic 6, we know this p and equal to a plus n minus 1. If you want to find out the n, then you apply this formula, and you have to know the value of un. Okay, from the 6, and this is the difference. Okay, and a is the first term. Okay, of the 6. Then equal to a plus n minus 1 d, and summation of the 6 is equal to n by 2. So 2a plus n minus 1 d. Just a plus n minus 1 d is here. We need to just put the 2 here, only a, and outside n by 2. N by 2. You have to remember this for finding out the summation from the SN. Now for geometric 6, we add equal to a r n minus r is the common ratio. R is the common, is the first term of the 6, and is the number of term, the n term, fifth term, sixth term. Okay, that means for geometric 6, we are equal to a r n minus 1, and when r less than 1, then the summation of geometric is a 1 minus r to the power n divided 1 minus r, or you can write s equal to a 1 minus r. Okay, this is the summation of geometric series. A bracket 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r, or you can write s equal to a by 1 minus r. R is less than 1. R is less than 1. That means finally you have to just remember this is the standard formula equation of quadratic equation. It's step like this, and this is the finding out procedure, the root minus b plus minus root b square minus 4c, and arithmetic series. This is arithmetic series. This formula for arithmetic series, and this formula for geometric series. Okay, for arithmetic series, to add equal to a plus n minus 1d, and summation sn into n over 2 second term 2a plus n minus 1. And for geometric 6, we add equal to a r to the power n minus 1, and sn equal to a bracket 1 minus r to the power bracket by 1 minus r, sn equal to a by 1 minus r, 1 r is the binomials here, a plus b to the power n. Okay, binomial expansion will be like this: a to the power n plus bracket n1, a to the power n minus 1 b, since 1 also b, bracket n2, a to the power n minus 2 b square plus n 3 bracket a to the power n minus 3 b to the power q plus dot plus b to the power n. That is first a to the power n and last b to the power n. And since there are two variables a and b, okay, first a to the power n and last b to the power n, and conjugate will be n1, n2, n3, 1 3, then b3, 1 1, b1, 1 2, just b2. And another point you have to remember, one means one then it will be n minus 1, 1 2 it will be n minus 1, 3 it will be n minus 3. Try to remember ours. First it will be no coefficient, last will be no coefficient, and same. So here is a positive integer. It's a positive integer. Okay, and uh, n r bracket equal to n factorial r factorial n minus r factorial. Okay, this is actually the formula. N r factorial n r bracket equal to n factorial over r factorial n minus r bracket factorial. This formula. Okay. This a to the power x a plus x to the power n, same, this same, but here why not like this a plus b? Here one, since there is one, that's why this expansion is easier in this. Okay, just simple. One, that means here is one, and x finally you can write x to the power n finally. X to the power n. Okay, this is last term, this is first term, and same here. Try to remember n. Okay, n 1 bracket you can write down n. Simple. N x plus n first bracket n minus 1 2 factorial x square plus n minus 1 3 factorial n minus 2 x cube x to the power n. Here n is rational number and x less than 1 is value less than 1, and for remembering you have to realize always that 1, that is 1, last x to the power n. Whatever, actually if you write 1 to the power n, that meaning 1. Okay, so no necessary to think about 1. That's why simply you can think about x. Here x is for x to the power cube, so this expand finally x to the power n. And 1, we don't think about 1, we just think about the coefficient. Try to understand n1 bracket you can write down only n. Okay, n2 bracket you can write down n minus 1 2 factorial. Okay, 2 factorial is another formula. Actually this you can write down like this way. Okay, and n bracket n minus 1 2 factorial you can write down n3 bracket n bracket n minus 1 bracket n minus 2 3 factorial. Okay, x cube plus the x to the power. Simply you just understand, you just remember a to the power a plus b to the power n, a to the power n plus bracket n1 a to the power n minus 1 b plus n to bracket a n to the power minus 2 b square plus n3 bracket a to the power n minus 3 b to the power 2 plus w to the plus b to the power a square positive integer a. Okay, in r bracket this formula in factorial r factorial by r factorial n minus r factorial. Okay, and 1 plus x to the power n equal to 1 plus nx plus n minus 1 over 2 factorial x square plus n minus 1 2 factorial n minus 2 x cube plus w x to the power n square. N is a rational number and x value is less than trigonometry. Okay, and arc length of a circle r theta. Okay, here arc radius and in radius. Okay, r is radius is the arc length of a circle and area of a sector of a circle half r square theta. Here r square and 1 by 2 Same, just r square theta is in weight. Just remember how r square theta is the area of a sector of a circle. Okay, and the arc length of a circle is r theta. Yeah, theta in radius and tilted. Very simple formula. Tilted equals sin theta, but by cos theta. It's a negative degree. Sin theta, negative. Tan theta equals sin theta by cos theta, and cos square theta plus sin square theta 1 is very popular and very easy formula related to trigonometry. Cos square theta plus sin square theta 1, and another one 1 plus tan square theta equals sec square theta. This is like this actually. Sec square theta minus tan square theta 1. Okay. Just remember first sec square then minus tan square theta over 1. This one just here sec square theta first. Okay, then minus tan square theta 1, and cot square theta plus 1 into cos square theta. Same, just cos square theta minus cot square theta 1. Okay, you can cot square theta plus 1 into cos square theta, cos square theta minus cot square theta 1. Just you can bring cot square theta to the right side. That is cot square theta minus cos square theta minus cot square theta 1. Okay, this same, this and this same. Okay, cot square plus cos square theta plus 1 into cos square theta, cos square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Now, sin A plus minus B is also easy. Plus 1 sin plus, then sin A cos B plus 1 plus due to sin, then plus. Okay, cos A sin B. Okay, here sin A, here cos A, and here sin plus. When you take plus sin A plus B, then plus. When you take sin A minus B, then sin A cos B minus cos A. Okay, due to minus, we will take minus. Okay, for sin A plus minus B equal to sin A cos B plus minus cos A sin B, and cos A plus B, A plus minus B, just for due to cos, we will take 1 plus then minus, 1 minus then plus. Okay, and cos A cos B, all are cos first, cos A cos B, yeah, minus plus, since plus minus plus sin A sin B, sin A sin B, and take A plus minus B plus minus 1 plus numerator plus 1 minus numerator minus tan A plus minus tan B by 1 minus 1 denominator minus plus tan A tan B. Okay, that means tan A plus minus B into tan A plus minus tan B divided 1 minus plus tan A tan B. Very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 formula related to trigonometry. Just the question gives us r and theta. We can find out r length. The question gives us r and asks us to find out the sector area. This is area. This is length. Okay. Then we will apply half r square theta. But theta in radians. Okay. And if we calculate impact of trigonometric expression, sometimes we have to use tan theta equal to sin theta cos theta, cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1, and sec square theta minus tan square theta 1, cos square theta minus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay, and sin A plus minus B equal to sin A cos B plus minus cos A sin B cos A plus minus B equal to cos A cos B minus plus sin A sin B tan A plus minus B equal to tan A plus minus tan B by 1 minus plus tan A tan B. Okay, sin for A equal to 2 sin A cos A. Just 2s, 1 sin, then 2 sin A cos A, and cos 2a cos square A minus sin square, cos square A minus sin square. Yeah, we can change this and we can write 2 cos square A minus 1 to cos square A minus 1. Okay. And we can write also 1 minus 2 sin square. 1 minus 2 sin square cos 2A equal to cos square A minus sin square A. You just try to remember. This is first 2 cos square then minus 1. And first 1 then minus 2 sin square A 1 cos 2A. If you can write down cos 2A equal to cos square A minus sin square A, or you can write down cos 2A 1 minus 2 sin square A, or you can write down cos 2A into 2 cos square A minus 1. Now tan 2A equal to 2 tan A as a millimeter and denominator 1 minus tan square. So this is very simple. Just now we have done formula which is like this: tan uh, A plus B. That means tan A plus tan B. Okay, 1 minus tan A and tan B. Just this here 2A. That means if you write down here like this way, tan A plus in place of B A, then you can write down tan A plus tan B, tan A in place of B 1 minus tan A, tan. That means uh, 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square. Tan. Okay, very simple. If you know this formula, then you can draw this formula. Okay, and sin 2A because it has have been drawn from the previous formula. Again, I said sin 2A equal to 2 sin A plus A, and cos 2A equal to cos square A minus sin square A. You can write down cos 2A equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. 1 minus 2 sin square equal to cos 2A. And to tell you by 1 minus tan square A into tan 2A, and you can deduct this like this. Okay, sine law of triangle A by sine capital A equal to B by sine capital B. Go to C small c. This is small a small b c by sine c equal to 2R. Okay, and cosine law of triangle. While we take cos A, then denominator to be C, and B square plus C square minus A square. Cos B, C square plus A square minus B square by 2CA cos C capital C. A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB. Okay, here A, B, C, these are edges of triangle, and capital A, B, C are the angle of triangle. Again, A equal to this, B equal to this, C equal to this. 1A, then B cos capital C plus small c cos capital B. B equal to small c cos capital A plus small c cos capital C. C equal to A small a cos capital B plus small b cos capital A. Here A, B, C are the edges of triangle, and capital A, capital B, capital C are the angle of triangle. One A, just think B and C, CB. Okay, there is no A. One B, angle A, angle C is CN. Okay, one C, then cos capital A plus 1A, then cos capital C. 1C, there is no C, just A and B related. Small a, 1A, then cos B, plus 1B, then cos. Just think about such way you can remember. A equal to cos C, B cos C, plus small c cos B. A over sin A equal to B over sin B into C over sin C. Angle are below. Okay, and A, B, C. These are edges. equal to 2r. This is sine the triangle. And b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc cos a, capital A. Think about this. 1a denominator bc minus the small a square. A is square. 1b and minus small b square. The b is denominator ca. There is no b. 1c denominator 2ab. No c in that any term. But minus c square the numerator. A square plus b square minus c square. Okay, now mechanics based formula will learn. Okay, sections we have to understand. Okay, this is actually for straight line motion. Okay, we'll write down v equal to e plus a t. A for acceleration, e for acceleration is time, and e is initial velocity, v is final velocity. And s equal to ut plus half a t square. The time, e for acceleration, to initial velocity, s is required completed displacement. Okay. Another formula, v square equal to v square plus 2as uh, s equal to v naught plus v over 2 multiplied t. You can write down here u or v naught. U is initial velocity, v is final velocity by 2t. Okay, this formula is for uniform acceleration, and s equal to vt. Here, this formula we can use for uniform velocity. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 formulas, and you have to actually know where and how it will be applied. Okay, and if you know this, you can know this same way. Actually, this is actually a very falling body, or if you just throw any body upward, then this formula. Okay, we will be u plus minus gt, plus minus gt. It will be plus or minus. When you throw anything upward, then minus. When it comes downward, then plus. Okay, we will be u plus minus gt is equal to ut plus minus half gt square. Here we have used acceleration due to gravity in place of a, just a, and we have used is in place of s. S is the height. It's will be u plus half g square, v square will be u square plus minus 2g is. Okay, here actually you have to understand one would be plus, would be minus. Okay, h equal to, you can write down 2 v naught 2 plus v over 2t, and h equal to vt. This 5 this say. Now if you throw anything upward, that maximum height you have to find out, and maximum height formula which is u square by 2g. U square, just remember u square and denominated 2g for maximum height, 2g u square, and required time to go maximum height to maximum u by g is initial velocity, g is acceleration due to gravity, and h maximum height. If you throw any body, what will be the maximum height? You can find out by this formula. Is maximum will be u square over 2g, and required time to go maximum height is u over g is the initial velocity, g is the acceleration, is the required time to go highest or maximum point. Okay, and to t equal to 2u g. This is actually trajectory time. If you throw anybody, first it will go up and it will come back to the down position. Then needed total time t equal to 2u by g, trajectory time. Here e is initial velocity, g is the actually acceleration due to gravity. And to form this formula, and from this formula, okay, or this formula, by this formula, these formulas have been drawn. Okay, have been derived, and it's actually a bit complex. You have to practice a lot. Anyway, here try to understand the maximum height. The maximum height. over 2g, same 2g u square, but here u sin theta square. Just there is added sin theta. U sin theta into u sin theta square. Here initial velocity u sin theta, but here initial velocity u. Okay, and 2g same maximum height. You can write down this by this symbol h equal to u sin theta square over 2g. Try to understand this t maximum equal to u over g. This same, just u sin theta over g. This is required time to go the maximum at the to the maximum height. T maximum equal to u sin theta over g. That means this. If you know this, you can understand this. Just you have to press u sin theta in place of u. Okay? And you know t equal to 2 ug, 2 ug, you know, 2 ug. This is trajectory time, and u is the initial velocity, which is the acceleration due to gravity, and t is the trajectory time. Okay, this is same. Just you have to put u sin theta in place of u sin theta, 2 u sin theta, g equal to t, and maximum range are equal to u square sin 2 theta over z. Maximum range, sorry, range equal to u square sin 2 theta. Try to understand here 2 theta u square over g, only g. Okay, or maximum range. Okay, and very important essential formula. This is y equal to, y is the actually height and the ordinate. Okay, y equal to, we need the axis x ordinate x here, we need x square. Okay, this is minus sign. You have to remember this is very important formula. And minus sign tan theta x, tan theta x. Okay, minus g x square, g x square by 2 u cos theta whole square, u cos theta whole square as a denominator, and first tan theta x, y equal to, okay, y equal to tan theta x minus g x square by 2 u cos theta square. For determining the y, we have to apply this formula by using x, theta, u. Okay, and if question gives us theta, u, x, then you can find out y by this formula. Again, so this formula y equal to tan theta x minus g over 2 cos theta square x square. X square is here denominator. 2 u cos theta square denominator minus sin theta square. Right. Okay, final. That is this section, this section, this section, this section. There are 4 sections. You have to remember. In a short, I say y equal to tan theta x minus gx square over 2 u cos theta square. Tan maximum equal to u sin theta over g. H equal to u sin theta square over 2g. T equal to 2 u sin theta over g. Y equal to u square sin 2 theta over g. And here we equal to u plus 80. That's equal to u plus half. 80 square. This equal to u square plus 2a. This equal to u plus v by 2 multiplied t is equal to dt. Here we equal to u plus minus dt is equal to u t plus minus half gt square. This equal to u square plus minus 2g is equal to u plus v divided 2 multiplied t is equal to dt, and is maximum height equal to u square over 2g. T maximum will be eg, t equal to 2u by g. Actually, for doing the mathematics, we have to remember this formula, and by doing a lot of creative questions, there are questions, and if you read the actually main writing of textbook, then you can actually understand why and how, when we use this.